Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to unsend an email in Gmail. And I will show you this as quick as possible how to do this. Alright, first of all we need to go to our settings, so click on the wheel and then go to see all settings. Then from here you have the option undo send, and now the send cancellation period is 5 seconds. So what we want to do is we want to make this to 30 seconds, then scroll down and click here on save changes. So from now we are back, and right now if I click on compose and write an email to let's say something like this, and then say hey and then go away. Now we click on send, and right now you see here the option undo, and we have this option for 30 seconds. But hey, right now if I click on undo, the email is back and the sending is undone. So right now we can decide what we want to do. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.